we have to obtain the values for x, y, z and w if the two matrices are equal. Now as the two matrices are equal, the corresponding elements will also be equal, and that is property of equality of matrices. So we could say by equality of matrices, let us equate the corresponding elements. So x is equal to 3, x equal to 3, we call this as 1. So we have already obtained the value for x, and let's equate this. 3x minus y equal to 2, 3x minus y equal to 2. Now we could substitute x over here and obtain y. So therefore 3 times 3 minus y is equal to 2. So we simplify this. 9 minus y is 2. Minus y is 2 minus 9. So minus y is equal to minus 7. So we have y is equal to 7. So we have obtained the value for y as well. Okay. Then let's go for the third one. 2x plus z equal to 4. Okay, let us call this as second. So 2x plus z equal to 4. Now again we have obtained the value of x. So 2 times 3 plus z is equal to 4. 6 plus z is equal to 4. So z equals 4 minus 6. So z is equal to minus 2. So we have the third value. And let's go for the fourth element. So 3y minus w equal to 7. Now y value is 7, so we substitute here. So 3 times 7 minus w is equal to 7. So we obtain 21 minus w is equal to 7. Minus w is 7 minus 21. So minus w equal to minus 14. So the value for w is equal to 14. So we have obtained all the four values. So finally we get x equal to 3, y equal to 7, z equal to minus 2 and w equal to 14.